Hello YouTube, in the garage. Got some parts that came in today, so let's open this up. Okay, let's take all this packaging off. And this is the lower control arm. This is the, I think, the left hand side. Instead of rubber bushings, they got polyurethane, heavy duty, and polyurethane ball joints. As you can see right there. All brand new. Let me check out the other one. And this is the passenger side. Front and lower control arm. Like I said, polyurethane. And that's it. The whole suspension is going to be brand new on this car. Now I'm just waiting on my front lowering springs. And then I'll go into the shop, get everything installed, alignment done, and then we'll put the wheels and tires on. These and those. There's all the extra parts. I am spending more money on the suspension than I did buying the entire car. But it's going to be worth it. It's going to look good. Till next video, I'll see you.